Model, 2018 Fiat Ducato 35 Maxi long wheelbase, 2.3 Multijet Dropside 130 needs AQ body, white, flatbed mileage, 124698 MOT, the 28th of August 2024 engine, 2287 cc F1 AGL 411D transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts on easy start. Runs perfect on easy start. AQ needs replacing. If you have an AQ kit for this, we will buy it. Grin condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, part service history, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, 7,000